Executive Report, Co-poloxamers in Cell and Gene Therapy. Biologics and Regenerative Medicine Introduction. This report examines the market opportunity for co-poloxamers as essential excipients and functional agents in biologics and advanced therapy medicinal products (ATMPs). We explore their unique properties, diverse applications, market size, key players, and future projections. Co-poloxamers, a class of non-ionic triplet copolymers composed of polyethylene oxide, polypropylene oxide, polyethylene oxide POPPOPO, have emerged as indispensable components in modern therapeutics. Their amphiphilic structure grants unique functions like thermosensitive gelation, micelle formation, membrane stabilization, and surfactancy. These properties are increasingly leveraged in drug delivery, cell encapsulation, gene therapy vectors, and cryopreservation of CGT products. Market niche and future value. Within the context of CGT and biologics, co-poloxamers hold strategic importance as versatile excipients. Their primary uses include injectable formulations, nanoparticle stabilization, and biocompatible delivery vehicles. Co-poloxamers offer several advantages, enhancing solubility, prolonging circulation time, and improving product stability. This is particularly crucial for delicate therapeutics like mRNA, viral vectors, and protein therapeutics. In CGT, they facilitate cell encapsulation, protect cells during handling and freezing, and act as carriers for localized delivery. Notably, their biocompatibility and low immunogenicity make them attractive for clinical applications. Occupying a high-value niche, co-poloxamers are perceived as smart excipients offering multifunctionality without the potential drawbacks of immunogenicity associated with some other polymers. As a result, they command premium pricing in GMP-grade ultra-pure formats suitable for human use. Furthermore, there's a growing demand for proprietary co-poloxamer compositions with tunable rheological and release properties. This trend is driven by the need for precise control over therapeutic delivery, especially in emerging modalities like hydrogels and sustained-release injectables. Allied Market Research estimates the global co-poloxamer market size to reach $5.46 billion by 2030, expanding at a CAGR of 7.7% from 2022 to 2030. This growth is aligned with the expansion of the CGT and injectable biologics markets, which are expected to collectively exceed $500 billion by 2030. Market landscape evolution. Technology push advances in polymer chemistry and formulation science are driving the development of more sophisticated co-poloxamer-based therapeutics. This includes the integration of co-poloxamers into thermoresponsive gels, targeted drug delivery systems, and nanoparticle formulations. Formulation research is focused on combining co-poloxamers with liposomes, viral vectors, and lipid nanoparticles (LNPs) to improve payload delivery and stability. For instance, co-poloxamers are being explored as a component of LNPs for mRNA vaccines and gene therapy, enhancing cellular uptake and gene expression. Market pull. The proliferation of injectable, personalized CGT and biologics is creating demand for excipients that enhance product shelf life, stability, and delivery precision. A growing focus on patient-friendly delivery systems, such as subcutaneous injectables and hydrogels, is also driving the need for co-poloxamer-based formulations. Moreover, regulatory trends favor excipients with a long safety track record and minimal risk, making co-poloxamers a preferred choice over some novel synthetic polymers. Top 3 Biopharma CDMO players developing novel co-poloxamers. Ashland Global Holdings Inc. Ashland is a global leader in specialty excipients, including pharmaceutical-grade Pluronics, a brand of co-poloxamers. They are actively developing GMP-compliant co-poloxamers for injectable biologics and CGT delivery systems. Their innovation focuses on injectable gel platforms and sustained-release formulations. Ashland's co-poloxamer-related revenue is projected to increase by $40 to $70 million annually over the next 3 years, driven by partnerships in the mRNA and CGT space. 𝗖𝗢-𝗣𝗢𝗍 manufacturer and biopharma supplier. 𝗖𝗢 is the original manufacturer of the Pluronic series and remains the largest global supplier. They are investing in custom synthesis and pharmaceutical-grade purification of poloxamers for regulated applications. They collaborate with CGT-focused CDMOs and provide tailored co-poloxamers for nanoparticle stabilization and cryopreservation buffers. Revenue growth is projected at $50 to $80 million year from high-grade poloxamer applications, with an emphasis on LNPs, stem cell therapies, and controlled-release injectables. 𝗚𝗘𝗟𝗏 International plc, including Avanti Polar Lipids 𝗚𝗘𝗟, through its acquisition of Avanti Polar Lipids, is positioning itself as a key supplier of specialized excipients and delivery vehicles. 𝗚𝗘𝗟 develops high-purity co-poloxamers for use in biologics, mRNA, and cell therapy delivery systems. They are actively expanding their GMP infrastructure to support CGT manufacturing. Estimated revenue from co-poloxamer-enabled formulations is expected to grow by $30 to $60 million annually, with strong contribution from custom CDMO services and supply agreements. Economic value estimation to 𝗚𝗘𝗍𝗘𝗥𝗦 is projected to generate $120 to $210 million in cumulative co-poloxamer-related revenue over the next 3 years. This growth is fueled by the demand for long-acting injectables and CGT formulation services. 𝗖𝗢 is expected to lead the sector with $150 to $240 million in cumulative revenue over the same period. Its global scale, regulatory familiarity, and legacy in pluronic chemistry are key assets. 𝗚𝗘𝗟 Avanti is forecasted to produce $90 to $180 million, driven largely by the increasing demand for GMP-grade excipients for lipid and nanoparticle systems. Conclusion and strategic recommendations: co-poloxamers are increasingly critical to next-generation therapeutics due to their multifunctionality, biocompatibility, and tunable properties. The CGT and biologics sectors are driving a robust market pull, while advances in polymer chemistry and formulation science constitute a strong technology push. For companies developing or investing in CGT, biologics, or drug delivery technologies, securing access to novel co-poloxamer formulations or forging strategic partnerships with leading suppliers like Ashland, 𝗖𝗢 and 𝗚𝗘𝗟 offers a significant competitive advantage. CDMOs and biopharma companies that integrate co-poloxamers into differentiated formulations or delivery platforms will unlock substantial value in product stability, regulatory compliance, and patient-centric administration. We hope this analysis provides valuable insights into the co-poloxamer market and its role in shaping the future of therapeutics.